Have you ever wondered if there's a way to keep intimacy alive and fulfilling as we age? In today's video, we'll dive into a powerful option that can make a real difference for people over 50 who want to enjoy their relationships with confidence and dignity. We're exploring how tadalafil, a medication you may have heard of but not fully understood, can help reclaim spontaneity, boost self-esteem, and support a thriving intimate life, even through natural changes that come with time. Stick around until the end to learn not only how this medication works, but also real stories and essential safety tips that can guide you toward a more fulfilling and connected relationship, all with the support and expertise you need. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. Your support means a lot to me, and if you enjoyed this video, you can help me continue spreading the valuable lessons by liking and sharing it. Tadalafil is a groundbreaking medication, specifically designed to support men in facing one of life's more delicate challenges, achieving and maintaining a firm, lasting erection. Classified within the group of phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitors, tadalafil works by increasing blood flow to specific areas of the body, giving men a stronger foundation of physical support during those intimate moments that should be free from worry and stress. For many men, difficulties with maintaining an erection can impact self-esteem, leading to feelings of frustration or anxiety. Tadalafil helps alleviate this struggle, offering a reliable means to enhance the body's natural response without any stimulative effects or impact on desire. It's essential to understand that tadalafil is not an aphrodisiac or stimulant. It won't create desire where none exists, nor will it alter a person's inherent attraction. Instead, tadalafil serves as a tool, an ally, that works alongside natural stimulation to support the body when it's needed most. One of the standout features of tadalafil is its exceptional duration of action. While other similar medications may work for only a few hours, tadalafil offers an impressive effect that can last up to 36 hours. This extended window of effectiveness has even earned it the affectionate nickname of the weekend pill. This extended period doesn't just offer a medical benefit. It provides something equally precious: freedom and spontaneity. Men no longer have to worry about taking the medication at a precise moment before intimacy, allowing for a more organic, less pressured experience. Imagine the confidence that comes with knowing you have the freedom to connect with your partner without needing to pre-plan your medication schedule down to the minute. It's a simple but profound way to restore a sense of normalcy, spontaneity, and relaxation in intimate encounters, letting moments unfold naturally rather than through careful timing. Tadalafil provides this freedom in two versatile dosing options. For those who prefer constant readiness, there's the option of a low daily dose, a smaller, consistent amount taken every day to ensure that one is always prepared, no matter when intimacy may arise. This daily dose option appeals to men who appreciate knowing they have the support of tadalafil at all times, eliminating the need to plan around a medication schedule and allowing them to enjoy the reassurance that they're always ready for intimate connection. Alternatively, for those who might only need tadalafil on occasion, there is the on-demand approach, a higher dose taken shortly before an anticipated intimate moment. This option gives flexibility to men who prefer not to take medication daily, but still want a reliable solution they can turn to when needed. This dose ensures an effective and immediate response, allowing men to prepare as they see fit, without the pressure of daily medication. In addition to the practical benefits, tadalafil offers a more profound impact on men's mental and emotional well-being. Intimacy is more than a physical act. It's a moment of connection, closeness, and vulnerability. For men who struggle with erectile difficulties, these moments can often bring about feelings of inadequacy or disappointment. Tadalafil steps in to restore not only physical readiness, but also emotional confidence. It helps men feel more assured, allowing them to let go of performance-related anxieties and truly be present with their partner. By providing a reliable way to support natural physical responses, tadalafil enables men to reconnect with their partners on an emotional level, fostering a more intimate, open, and secure relationship. In essence, tadalafil brings more than just physiological benefits. It serves as a lifeline, restoring a sense of self-worth, spontaneity, and freedom. It allows men to experience intimate moments without a cloud of worry or stress, nurturing healthier relationships and enabling genuine connections. This support goes beyond the physical. It reinforces a man's ability to engage with his partner with authenticity, confidence, and readiness, helping him reclaim a natural part of life with joy and ease. In this way, tadalafil not only strengthens the body, but also heals the heart, renewing hope and giving men back a sense of pride and dignity in their intimate relationships. The primary benefit of tadalafil lies in its ability to enhance the quality of one's intimate life by addressing physical challenges in achieving and maintaining a firm response. This improvement is more than just physical. It profoundly impacts emotional well-being, self-esteem, and confidence, creating a ripple effect that can positively transform relationships. For many men, being able to once again engage in satisfying, intimate moments with their partner brings a renewed sense of assurance and joy. By overcoming physical obstacles, tadalafil allows them to reconnect on an emotional level, reinforcing bonds and fostering a more meaningful sense of intimacy. Numerous users report feeling a newfound sense of security and a deeper, more open connection with their partners, reinforcing the importance of this medication in strengthening not only physical intimacy, but emotional closeness. However, as with any medication, there are precautions and potential side effects to consider. While tadalafil is generally well tolerated, some users may experience mild, short-lived side effects such as headaches, stomach discomfort, nasal congestion, or muscle aches. Though these effects are usually temporary, they can be bothersome for some. It's essential to remain aware of these possibilities and to know that they typically subside quickly. That said, rare but severe reactions, such as sudden loss of vision or hearing, require immediate attention. In such cases, stopping the medication and consulting a healthcare provider is crucial for safety. One critical point of caution is that tadalafil should never be combined with nitrate-containing medications, often prescribed for heart-related conditions, as this can lead to a dangerous and sudden drop in blood pressure. For individuals taking nitrates, this combination could pose serious health risks. Additionally, men with severe heart conditions or those who have recently experienced a heart attack or stroke should steer clear of tadalafil, as the added strain could potentially exacerbate their condition. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Ultimately, while tadalafil can significantly enhance one's intimate life and improve overall quality of life, it's important to approach it responsibly. Consulting a healthcare professional before starting tadalafil can help ensure that it's used safely and effectively, allowing men to enjoy its benefits fully without unnecessary risks. In the end, tadalafil is more than just a medication. It's a tool that enables men to reclaim a part of their lives that holds deep personal meaning, strengthening their connection with loved ones, improving their self-image, and bringing a sense of vitality back into relationships. With the right guidance and caution, it serves as a gateway to a more fulfilling, joyful life, helping men feel whole again in ways that go beyond the purely physical. For anyone considering tadalafil, I strongly recommend starting with the lowest possible dose and only adjusting it under your doctor's guidance. It may be tempting to try increasing the dose for quicker results, but making these decisions alone can lead to unnecessary risks. Tadalafil should ideally be part of a thoughtful, holistic approach to sexual well-being, one that includes open, honest communication with your partner and a focus on emotional health as well. Intimacy involves both body and mind, and a balanced emotional life plays a significant role in achieving true satisfaction. It's also important to remember that tadalafil isn't suitable for everyone. For individuals with severe heart conditions, recent heart attacks, or strokes, as well as those with very low or high blood pressure, tadalafil can pose serious risks and should be avoided. Additionally, if you have severe liver or kidney issues, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before considering this medication. These conditions can alter how tadalafil works in the body, and only a medical professional can provide the necessary guidance to ensure safety. Tadalafil is available from pharmacies with a prescription, making it essential to consult a healthcare professional who can evaluate your unique health needs and decide if this medication is right for you. There are also generic versions of tadalafil available, which are often more affordable options. However, even when considering generics, always ensure they are obtained through proper channels and under medical supervision. A professional will help you navigate these choices safely, ensuring that you benefit from tadalafil in a way that respects your health and well-being. In short, tadalafil could be a fantastic aid in enhancing one's intimate life and boosting confidence, but it's essential to approach it with care and responsibility. With the right dose, guidance from a trusted healthcare provider, and a comprehensive approach to emotional well-being, tadalafil can help foster greater intimacy and personal satisfaction, adding a meaningful sense of joy and connection to your life. Let me share a touching and transformative story about one of my patients, Mario. Mario, a gentle-hearted 60-year-old man, came to my office one day, visibly weighed down by a mix of frustration, sadness, and longing. He confided in me with honesty and vulnerability, sharing how his intimate life felt as though it had come to a standstill after undergoing heart surgery. Mario described how, for the first time in his life, he felt disconnected from a part of himself that had always brought him joy, spontaneity, and fulfillment. His eyes grew somber as he spoke of how this change had begun affecting his marriage. The natural intimacy he and his wife once shared now felt distant, strained, almost out of reach. Mario's concerns went beyond the physical. He missed the sense of closeness, the unspoken language of touch and affection, and the ease that had once defined his relationship with his wife. He feared that this precious connection was slipping away, leaving him feeling isolated and overwhelmed. These worries he shared made him feel like a different person, a shadow of the man he once was. The impact was undeniable. It was as if a light had dimmed in his life, and he wasn't sure how to rekindle it. Understanding the delicate nature of Mario's situation, we decided on a gentle, supportive approach. We agreed to try a low daily dose of tadalafil, a carefully chosen option to help him regain a sense of normalcy. I reminded him that this was a journey and that the transformation he desired wouldn't be instantaneous. With trust in the process, Mario started the treatment, and over the next few weeks, I could see a remarkable shift in him. When he returned to my office after several weeks, he walked in with a renewed energy, a relaxed smile, and a sense of ease I hadn't seen before. Mario looked at me with gratitude and a sparkle in his eyes as he shared the difference he felt. Not only had he regained confidence in his intimate life, but he also shared how much his relationship with his wife had transformed. He spoke about how the pressure to perform or be ready at a particular moment had faded away, leaving space for natural, tender moments that felt genuine and fulfilling. He no longer felt bound by expectations or anxious thoughts. Instead, he could simply be himself, enjoying his time with his wife in a way that felt comforting, natural, and unforced. This experience went beyond physical intimacy. It allowed Mario and his wife to reconnect on an emotional level as well. They rediscovered the gentle and quiet moments that had initially brought them together. His words were filled with relief and joy, knowing he could be present in his marriage with a renewed sense of love and warmth. For him, this change was more than just a solution. It was a gift, a chance to embrace his life with vitality and reconnect with the woman he adored. Friends, I want to take a moment to emphasize that while tadalafil is a powerful tool that can bring meaningful improvements to one's intimate life, it is not a quick fix or a miracle solution. It must be used responsibly, under the careful guidance of a trusted healthcare provider. It doesn't erase emotional struggles, nor can it resolve the deeper complexities within a relationship. But for those who find themselves challenged by physical obstacles, it can indeed be a pathway to reclaiming confidence and rekindling closeness in a relationship. If Mario's story resonates with you, or if you feel a sense of connection to this experience, I want you to know you're not alone. Don't hesitate to reach out, leave a comment, or ask a question. At Wise Aging, Sexuality, and Health, we are here to support you on this journey. Together, let's open up these vital conversations and explore the things that matter most to your well-being. We're here with understanding, respect, and dedication to helping you live your life with fullness, joy, and the closeness you truly deserve. Thank you for joining us on this journey of reflection and rediscovery. Mario's story is just one example of how, even in the face of challenges, we can find hope and renewal in the relationships and experiences that matter most. So, what has resonated with you today? What insights have you gained that you can bring into your own life? We'd love to hear from you. Please share one thing you've learned or plan to practice in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please leave a comment and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you content that enriches, empowers, and uplifts. Thank you for being a part of our community at Wise Aging, Sexuality, and Health.